Hey guys, sorry that the video ended. It just randomly ended. Okay, time to put on the stickers though. This is the sticker part. Hopefully you don't mess this up, because I never put on stickers before. And hopefully I never have to do it again. I can't tell which side to put it on though. Do I just put it on any side? Okay. Oh, okay. Here is the white side. The GAN symbol goes on here, I'm pretty sure. I am not that good at stickering, so I'm probably gonna have to watch a YouTube video and get to you guys back when I'm done. See ya. Part 3.